Morning po, Ma'am Riva. Ang topic ko nga po pala sa Unit 5, yung preparation and preserve of our manure, animal manure, and rural and urban compost and vermicompost. Lesson 4 po, animal manure. Lesson 4, animal manure. Introduction. Animal manure I am sucks as swine, cattle, sheep, horse, as well other organic waste material for recycling, agri-food, and other process made to be host nutrient source of horticulture and agriculture and perennial crop, increasing nutrient cycling, reducing cost related to acquisition industry and fertilization. The word manure divine for the friends of maneuver means to manipulate to work produce crop. Yung ano daw po sa animal manure po is yung mga dumi daw po ng hayop is pwede natin siyang gawing mapataba na maaaring makatulong sa paglaki, pagpataba ng mga lupa or other na mga halaman na pwede natin itanim. Yun po. First po is type of animal manure. Chicken manure. Chicken manure adds organic matter in increasing the water holding capacity and beneficial both in the soil. A food fertilizer. Chicken manure provide nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium to be plant more than hours of core style manure. Nutrients level. Nitrogen is 4.55 to 5.46%. Sa phosphorus naman po is 2.46 to 2.82%. Sa potassium naman po is 2.02 to 2.32%. Sa calcium naman po is 4.52 to 8.15%. Magnesium po is 0.52 to 0.73%. Then, I'll appreciate qualify the macronutrients like the Cu, Zn, Fn, etc. So, dun po sa chicken manure, pwede po siyang magamit ng pataba. Kasi, meron po siyang iba-iba. Kasi, meron po halimbawa po halimbawa po is yung mga pinapakain natin na pwedeng makatulong sa mga halaman natin para mas lumaki. Next po is swine manure. Swine manure is the valuable fertilizer that contain all 13 essential plant nutrients and including nutrients phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, manganese, copper, and zinc, chlorine, boron, iron, and molybdenum. I can be used to improve soil fertility and provide many benefits in farmer and environment. Nutrients level naman po is pig manure is comprised of 67% to 73%. Sa water naman po is 18 to 23%. Organic matter naman po is 6.53%. Phosphorus content of dry matter and 3.61%. Nitrogen content naman po is dry content of drying matter, but content the potassium and magnesium is relatively low, being about the 1.5% to 80.1%. Dry matter manure is organic matter in easily degradable organic carbon is 27.3%. Sa swine naman po, is madami pong yung swine is madaming benefit na may 13 essential plant nutrients po siya na kailangan ng halaman or kailangan ng lupa para mas gumanda yung ating mga pananim. Cattle manure is not only supply primary nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and macronutrients for the plant grow, but also is the source of organic matter. Nutrients level naman po is approximately is 70 to 80% of nitrogen is 60 to 85%, of phosphorus naman po is 80 to 90%, and potassium can be feed is the excited to be manure. So, sa cattle manure, nagbibigay na po siya ng supply sa primary nutrients, and madami din siyang kailangan, or madami ding kailangan ng kasi po siya plant grow. So nakakatulong po siya sa paglago, or sabihin natin pagpapataba ng mga halaman, mga ganun po. Sheep manure naman po is, sheep manure, like other animal manures, is the natural slowly relaxed fertilizer nutrients. In sheep manure, fertilizer provide adapt when in nourishment for the garden and height both phosphorus and potassium essential element for optimal plant growth. Sa nutrients level naman po, yung sheep manure has B and PK of 0.70% and 0.30% and 0.90%. But sheep cow manure contain calcium and magnesium. Calcium is essential for cell well product has giving good strength for plant support. So sa sheep manure naman po is ganun din sa cattle manure. Nagbibigay siya ng grow, or nagbibigay siyang pataba, or sabihin natin mas umaano yung niya. Mas umaano po yung halaman natin, mas nakikita natin yung halimbawa unang tanim natin is payat. So nung nag-apply tayo ng sheep manure, or sabi natin wala pa siyang yun, mas nag-grow po yung plant natin. Yun po. Carabao manure, a farm waste product obtained resources, has been proven to be effective, safe, and economical bio or organic fertilizer. Sa chemical nutrients level naman po, sa chemical analyze, slow, the Carabao manure has be 18 to 20 cm. Ang ratio niya ay 80 to 20 cm, and has 24 to 30%. Carbon is 0.2822%. Nitrogen is 2.07. Phosphorus is 0.12 to 2.0. Potassium. Sa Carabao manure naman po, wala pang research na halos ginagamit yung Carabao manure, pero meron din siyang capacity na nagbibigay din po siya ng pataba sa mga halaman na maaari, pero hindi pa siya yung exact na pwede nating madami pang research na ginagawa para kung sakaling organic siya or hindi, kasi wala pang halos gumagamit. Yun po. Horse manure, sa horse dung manure is highly valued by farmer because composting horse manure to make compost pile become supercharged, also increase the soil fertility recognition, and highly quality yield, and make sustainable inexpensive fertilizer power plant. Horse is manure usually score slowly better in all categories with 1.5 to 1.0 and 1.5 NPK rating for shorting composting time. So horse manure naman po is magandang patabarin po ito kasi mataas yung compost become supercharged. Yun po. Rabbit manure is the world best fertilizer for the garden. Think it as the pollen mix the beat most the slow release organic fertilizer rabbit manure to break down quickly build loan and adding humus in attacking earthworm. A coal manure does not need to be agent to adding the garden manure. Nutrients level naman po is rabbit paste contain better nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium than other livestock such as cattle, sheep, buffalo, horse, and chicken. Tumbling in 4 stated that rabbit manure has the total value of 2%, 25 to 1.5% K2O, 1% of organic CM. So, sa rabbit manure po is magandang pataba siya or maganda siyang ilagay sa mga garden kasi yung dumi ng hayop or yung dumi ng rabbit is parang siya yung subok na ilagay sa mga garden kasi pero hindi naman po halos kasi madami yung rabbit. So, minimize lang kung may mga rabbit kang alaga, mas yun, pwede mong ilagay yung mga dumi nila sa garden mo. Yun po. Goat manure naman po is the best animal manure. Goat manure supply nutrients to plant, improve soil structure comparing chicken manure cow down to contain nitrogen in goat manure and highly than quick chicken grow the manure. Therefore, you can deal the goat manure by composting. Nutrients level naman po is goat manure has B nutrients content of 0.70% and 0.40%, 205 and 0.25% KCG, and 23 to 31 organic matter. So, sa goat manure naman po, the best animal manure. Animalis. So, sabi nila, yung goat manure is nagbibigay siya ng supply nutrients and para po ma-improve yung mga pananim natin and para mas maging maganda or maging mataba yung tinanim natin. Bat manure. Sa bat manure naman po is dyan Spanish for Quenona is the accumulated experiment sunbird or bat llano is highly effective fertilizer due to highly content nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium, all nutrients essential for plant growth. Nutrients level according to the NPK of bat llano is concentration ingredients are 10, 3, 1. This NPK fertilizer analyzed translate for 10% nitrogen, 3% phosphorus, and 1% potassium or potash. the highly nitrogen level responsible to fast gain grow. So, yung bat manure, limited lang siya, yung mga bat manure. Kung nasa province era or nasa province tayo, mas meron mga bat manure. So, kung nasa medyo malayo ka sa province, maaaring bumili ka kung gusto mong subukan yung bat manure. Pero magandang pataba po yung bat manure kasi mas nakakatulong siya sa plant grow and maging fast, or sabihin natin mabilis na paglaki, ganun po. And over of the year, the inspecting modify chemical, physical, and biological and soil contribution has increasing nutrients content soil thus be with effect crop productly change the food nutrients compositing fruit vegetable storage and impact the environment. This is present view address effective IM application of the soil plan in server enterprise. The following aspect: A is exchange the chemical and physical biochemical contribution. As B soil and history IM application. B is effective application IM annual plan productive IM. C is IM fertilizer productive and food composting horticulture crop. Succeed application IM the soil tend to increasing chemical and physical contribution increase production and grain crop. Effect IM fertilizer the qualified nutritional value to fruit is still increasing independent several factors including 1 is characteristic of organic matter, productly made contribution. 3 is time of application, and 4 plant grow spacing. And kasunod naman po is next naman po ay sa unit BI. Preparation and preserve and farmyard manure, animal manure, rural and urban compost and vermicompost. Ang lesson ko po dyan is lesson 4. Ang lesson ko po is lesson 4. Yung lesson 4 is specification of biofertilizer and their quality and application method. First is specific of biofertilizer and their quality. First is symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Rhizobium is one of the betal symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Her bacteria has shelter and obtain for food for plant. In return, they help the problem fix a nitrogen to the plant. So, yung symbiotic nitrogen fix bacteria naman po, siya po yung nagbibigay, or sabihin natin parang naghanap siya ng kalinga, or yun po, naghahanap, halimbawa siya ng kalinga para kanlungan na pero nagbibigay po siya ng nitrogen. Yan po. Next po is loss association of nitrogen fixed bacteria. Azospirillum is the nitrogen fixed bacteria that live around the root of high plant but do not develop animal relationship with plant. In is the after forming resunder association as their bacteria collect plant associate and same use the food then This is process is the term associated concept. Also, yung loss association of nitrogen fixed bacteria naman po. Siya po yung nandun sa pinaka matabang ugat, pero wala siyang connection or wala siyang relationship sa ugat na inanuhan niya. Ganun po. Next po is symbiotic nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. Yung blue-green algae or cyanobacteria for the symbiotic association with several plant life work certain root for firm license the nitrogen fix circular anabian for the leaf circular for leaf. It is responsible for nitrogen fixation that their plant beside the release the same for utilization for rice plant as well as in the grow recent rice field, but they not relating grow to plant. So, yung symbiotic nitrogen fix naman po is ito yung sa mga palay po is yung nagbibigay na yung madilaw or sabihin natin na pabulok na, yun po. Number 4 is free-living nitrogen fixed bacteria. They free-living soil bacteria perform nitrogen fixation. This sulfur arabid has the contributing chronic and azobacteria, etc. Among all the type of biofertilizer, ribosome and cephaloom are the widely used. So, yun lang po. Marami pong salamat and magandang umaga po.